Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at everything you need to know about CSS in web development. We'll look at what CSS is, how you can link it to HTML, and later CSS selectors, properties, etc. Let's get started. CSS is one third of the holy trinity of web development. These languages are going to be your foundation in web development. We've already looked at HTML. In this one, we are going to take a look at CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is a language used to apply styles to HTML documents. Without CSS, web pages would look plain and simple. The first thing I like to do when teaching a new language to new students is break down the syntax. The syntax of CSS is very simple to understand. Here's what you need to know. I'm gonna erase all this and save to demonstrate. The syntax of CSS is made out of CSS rules. A CSS rule is made out of a selector and within the curly braces, a property and a value. This is called a declaration. Usually, CSS rules have multiple declarations within them. Here's a proper example. First, I'm going to select the body tag here by using the selector body. So this is going to be our selector here. So within here, I need my declarations. So a declaration is made out of a property and a value. So the property I'm going to target for now is background color, and our value is going to be black for now. And when I click on save, you'll see that our background is now black. I can have multiple declarations in here. So what I'm going to do is I say color and my value is going to be white, and then save. So as you can see, CSS syntax is very simple to break down. We have our selector here, and within our selector, we have our declarations here. And a declaration is basically a property and a value. A property and a value. We are allowed to have as many declarations as we like within these curly braces here. So that's basically all you need to know about CSS syntax. What we're going to be doing in this course is showing you the properties you need to use and also the selectors you need to use. Please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when I release another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.